Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, hold the fold 4 in the orientation you want to capture and make sure the content is fully visible. Once done, position your fingers for the physical button method or enable palm swipe in settings if you prefer gesture capture. Press power and volume down simultaneously for a quick screen grab. Hold them briefly until you see the shutter animation. Make sure you feel or see the feedback so you know the image saved. This first step locks in the exact frame you will edit or share. After the initial capture, a small preview appears at the bottom corner. Tap it to open editing and sharing tools. If you need more than the visible screen, choose the scroll capture or capture more option to stitch additional content. Tap repeatedly until you reach the end. Use the built-in editor to crop, annotate, or highlight. These tools save a new copy when you apply changes. Once satisfied, tap Done and choose Save or Share, so the final image is stored and available in Gallery. Finish by confirming the screenshot appears in Gallery under Screenshots and sharing it via your preferred app. If the buttons don't respond, switch to palm swipe in Settings Advanced Features Motions and Gestures, or turn on the Assistant menu for on-screen shortcuts. If captures still fail, restart the phone and check for system updates. Outdated software can block capture features. As a troubleshooting tip, test both folded and unfolded modes to isolate whether a hinge or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.